Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we're going to be doing a little 4K video comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and the Google Pixel 6 Pro. We'll be testing out both the front-facing cameras and the rear-facing cameras in the daytime and nighttime at both 4K 30 frames per second and 4K 60 frames per second. Although when it comes to the front-facing cameras on both of these devices, we're only going to be testing out 4K 30 frames per second because the Google Pixel 6 Pro only has 4K 30 available. There is no 4K 60 available when it comes to the front-facing cameras. But I'm gonna let you all be the judges down in the comment section below and letting me know which one of these devices you think performs better when it comes to overall 4K video. And also let me know what you think about the sound quality as well. So let's go ahead and get this video test started. All right, so starting off with the front-facing cameras on both of these phones right here. I've got the Galaxy S22 Ultra here on my left and the Google Pixel 6 Pro here to my right. Now, we are only going to test 4K 30 frames per second when it comes to the front-facing cameras because the Google Pixel 6 Pro does not offer 60 frames per second. So we got 4K 30 frames per second going on right here. What do y'all think? Like I said, Galaxy S22 Ultra to my left, Google Pixel 6 Pro here to my right. Just doing a nice steady walk here. Got some color going around here in the background. What do you think about the overall quality? Also, let me know what you think about sound quality as well. I will be going back and forth between the microphones on both of these devices, so you can let me know which one you think sounds better as well when it comes to talking. And you know, we got a light breeze in the background, so not sure if the mics are going to be picking that up or picking up my voice over the, you know, the sound of the wind. Let me go ahead and cross the street here. We'll go ahead and do a little jog, check out stabilization on both of these. What do y'all think? Which one looks more stable? Let's go ahead and walk here through these beautiful palm trees right here in the beautiful Palm Springs, California. I love this little area right here. It's just a nice area to just hang out. We got the huge Marilyn Monroe statue over here. I don't know what you would call that, but monument, I guess. But let's go, let me jog over there so we can check that out. And we'll also check it out with the rear-facing camera. Here we go. And there she is. Marilyn Monroe, got the sun right behind me. Look at that. Now with the Google Pixel 6 Pro, we can actually zoom in a little bit. And with the Galaxy S22 Ultra, we cannot do that. So let me go ahead and go back to 1x. And here it is, the front-facing cameras on both the S22 Ultra and the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Let me know what y'all think. Let's go and switch it up to the rear-facing cameras. All right, so taking it over to 4K 30 frames per second on both of these devices right here. Galaxy S22 Ultra still to my left, the Google Pixel 6 Pro still to my right. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? I'm gonna go and just do a nice steady walk here, check out stabilization. Both of these phones right here. Beautiful day. Let's see what we got behind this gate over here. Kind of looks like a Squid Games setup over there. Let's go and jog over to the side, check out stabilization. What do y'all think? Look at the colors, the difference in color on both of these. Now with the S22 Ultra, we can zoom 3x, 10x, and even 20 times. So up to 20 times zoom on the S22 Ultra. We even got the wide angle lens going on, or the ultra wide angle lens. And then with the Google Pixel 6 Pro, that's 4x zoom right there. So you can see that pop when it switches lenses. And then we can also zoom in 20 times. So let's go 20 times on both of these right here. Look at the difference. And then we'll go ultra wide angle lens on both as well. So this is the ultra wide angle lens on both devices. What do y'all think? Doing another nice steady walk here. Take it back to the main lens on both. Let's walk out to the street right here. So there it is, 4K 30 frames per second. Let's go and check out 4K 60 frames per second. All right, here we go, 4K 60 frames per second on both devices. Of course, we're gonna get some much smoother video here. Just crossing the street. Look at this view right here. Look how beautiful that looks. go and keep walking this way. Let's go and go back to the graffiti area over here. Sandy area. My black shoes are gonna get all dusty from all this sand, but it's all right. It's for the video. So we are able to zoom in 10 times on the Galaxy S22 Ultra and then 7 times on the Google Pixel 6 Pro. There is no option to use the ultra wide angle lens on either of these devices. I'm gonna keep walking here. Let's go and jog this way, see what stabilization is like at 60 frames per second. Look at some of this artwork here. Pretty cool little area we got here. What do y'all think? Let me know down in the comment section. Again, this is 4K, 60 frames per second. Let's go ahead and check out some night footage. Woo! All right, so we have made our way into the night. As you can see here, it is nighttime. Yeah, I do got some lights from the buildings around me, but you know, for the most part, yes, it is nighttime. So starting off with the front-facing cameras at 4K, 30 frames per second. Got the Google Pixel 6 Pro to my right, S22 Ultra here to my left. What do you guys think? Just doing a nice steady walk here. As you can see, I always have a hard time figuring out what camera I want to look at when I'm talking, but let me go ahead and pan around here, this intersection behind me. It's a bit windy out here, so hopefully you guys can still hear me over the wind. This will really test out, you know, the microphones on both of these phones right here. But let's go and do a nice steady walk here again. Check out stabilization. You know, I'll go ahead and go into a jog. And you know, stabilization isn't always the best at night. From my experience doing video tests like these, video can seem a bit jittery at night if there's a lot of movement going on. So that's just to be expected already. You know, it's never going to be perfect. Like I said, at least from my experience. But what do y'all think? Again, the front-facing cameras. Let's get this fountain behind me. Woo! Now, just from right here looking at the viewfinders, I will say that the S22 Ultra does look a bit better than the Google Pixel 6 Pro. But y'all are the judges. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Let's go and check out the rear-facing cameras. Okay, so taking it over to the rear-facing camera at 4K, 30 frames per second. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Let's get a close-up on this fountain right here. Here at the gardens on El Paseo, the beautiful Palm Desert, California. I'm gonna do a nice steady walk here. Let's go ahead and go into a jog. There we are. What do y'all think? Now, of course, we can still zoom in 3 times. There's 2 times. Here's 10 times on the S22 Ultra. Here's 4 times. And of course, we can still zoom in 20 times. But, you know, at night, quality is not going to be the best. But that's just to give you an idea. And then, of course, we have the ultra wide angle lens on both of these as well. Give you that wider view. List of all the shops and stuff. Let's go back to the main lens. I'm gonna walk around over here. Let's go out to the street. There it is, 4K, 30 frames per second. Go and switch it up to 4K 60. And here we are, just like that, at 4K 60 frames per second, getting that smoother video at night. Now, video will seem a bit darker when recording at 60 frames per second, so just do keep that in mind. Gucci. Actually, no, let's cross the street right here. I'll go ahead and jog across the street, check out stabilization that way. And there we are. What do y'all think? It's a little bit darker over here. Doing some construction on this building right here. More of a low light situation. Not too much light on this side. Take a look at this palm tree with the lights. What do y'all think? 4K 60 frames per second. Like I said, y'all are the judges. Let me know down in the comment sections below. All right, so there you have it, a little 4K video comparison between the Galaxy S22 Ultra and the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Both of these were on their latest update. So y'all let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Which one do you think performed better when it comes to overall video quality with the front-facing camera and the rear-facing cameras? Was it the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra or the Google Pixel 6 Pro? I gotta say, I am impressed with how far Google has come with these Pixel devices when it comes to overall video quality. They've done a very good job. But either way, with either one of these devices, I mean, you're gonna get some good video quality. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. Thank you all so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thanks again for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.